everyone, my name is Pat, and the superfood I chose to present today is bok choy. Bok choy is an Asian cabbage that originated in China, but it has been cultivated in the US for about 100 years now, so you can find these in your local ShopRites. I did get these in ShopRite. I forgot how much they were, but they were pretty cheap. And there's a lot of varieties of bok choy. There's the big ones, but I like the baby bok choy. The big ones are like more than half of the size of this one, but I think they taste better. It's just a personal preference. So bok choy is a superfood because it contains a lot of vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, selenium, zinc, copper, magnesium, and vitamins B1, B2, B3, and B6. That is a lot in one of these leafy vegetables. You can eat bok choy lots of ways. Some people eat them raw, I don't. Some steam it or stir fry, but for me, for today's recipe, I'm going to put it in my stew. So summer in New Jersey has been very gloomy so far, and I've been craving soup, particularly tinola. It's a Filipino ginger garlic chicken soup, and I will be putting these in them. So yeah. So these are the ingredients. I have my chicken thighs. I have chicken thighs because I think they're the most tender part of the chicken. Minced onion, garlic, ginger. To taste, I'm gonna put fish sauce, chicken broth, and salt and pepper, and of course our bok choy. So first I'm gonna heat a little bit of oil so I can saute. I'm gonna put onions first and the garlic. I'm just gonna mix all that, and then I'm gonna put in the ginger. So I'm just mixing everything until the onion becomes translucent, and I'm gonna put in my chicken. Cooking the outer portion of the chicken. Now I'm putting a tablespoon of fish sauce. Now it's time to pour in the chicken broth. Now I'm just adding some water, making sure the meat is covered. Now I'm leaving it to boil. And while we're waiting, let's go prep our bok choy. I'm just giving it a quick wash. Now sometimes you would see like black spots. I'm just trying to wash those off. Trying to be thorough. Now that our soup is boiling, we're ready to put in our bok choy. So if you prefer your bok choy to be soft, you can put them in now. But if you're like me, I like my bok choy a little crunchy. I'm just gonna turn off the stove. Now I'm just gonna put in the bok choy. So I'm just kind of steaming it from the heat of my soup. We'll cover it, and I'll do that for 2 minutes. Ta-da! Now it's ready to be served. I'm just transferring it to a bowl. So like all Filipino dishes, I'm gonna be eating this with rice. And this is definitely a full meal, and it's gonna keep me going throughout the day. I got rice for my grains, chicken for protein, and my superfood, bok choy. Taste test. What? So I also chose to make a recipe out of bok choy and making it into a soup because what we learned in the previous module. The water-soluble vitamins won't be as affected when you're drinking it in the soup. So yeah, let me know if you want to try this recipe. It's good. Bye!